Hey there, friends. I wanted to make this short video for you guys to get a better understanding of where I'm at in my journey, how I got there, and how I might could benefit you in remembering who you are. I hesitated there for a second because a lot of people, and I have in the past, used the phrase of leveling up your vibration. We are energetic beings, that much I agree with. But it's not like what I originally thought of. You gotta try harder, be happier, do all the things. It's about letting go. It's about releasing beliefs that you are ever separate from the source of all creation. And what that journey looked like for me is way more than I can possibly share in a short video. But the highlights are I had a profound experience after losing my daughter and recognized that love was the point. Love is the point. Um, I then began to unravel anything that didn't fit with that. And it was a process for sure. Eventually, I came to an understanding, and this is where I'm at now, where I recognize that true sovereignty, true freedom, true abundance is trusting that you create your own reality and that emotional liberation is the true definition of sovereignty. When you, in any situation, can decide how you're going to feel, then you are consciously creating your own reality. Whereas when you are constantly reacting to what is happening instead of choosing, you're still creating your reality, you're just doing it unconsciously. And we don't necessarily enjoy the results of that experiment, do we? And I certainly have not reached a point of being omnipresent, but I have definitely reached a point of recognizing that I'm always manifesting. And it causes me to be that much more present and aware of what I'm choosing in any moment. Now, that said, there will still be feelings had that are not necessarily what you would prefer. And in those moments, it's important to have compassion for yourself and allow yourself to feel whatever it is you need to feel without judging it, without becoming the story that created it. Um, just taking a step back and allowing yourself to have that experience, that creation that you made, and then release it. So, over time, as a result of many challenges in life, I have come to understand that there's really 5 areas that have helped me reach where I'm at and continue to help me move in a direction of more sovereignty. 1, surrender. Surrender your ego, surrender the story, surrender your need to control things. 2, set boundaries. Don't absorb everybody else's energy. Don't feel compelled to allow other people to set the tone. 3, become aware of your assumptions. What is it that you are so sure is true that you know it, that you absolutely know that it's true? And yet every time you have that thought of knowing that it's true, you're very disturbed by the results of that belief. 4, can you choose to be your authentic self? The level of self-discipline of showing up as you absolutely have a desire to be in any moment, even if other people don't agree, don't appreciate it. Can you choose to love yourself unconditionally? and 5. And I'm feeling a bit distracted right now. What was number 5? Surrender, boundaries, assumptions, authenticity, release old stories, resentments, forgive people, forgive yourself. Recognize that you are in a constant state of grace. And a whole lot more could be shared on that. If any of this inspires you and resonates, and you have a desire to either participate in coursework that I offer, retreats that I offer, or individual coaching sessions, please reach out. But know that you are the medicine. I'm not going to fix you. There's nothing wrong. I'm going to help you navigate the waters of your mind that tell you otherwise.